Hey everyone, Luis here. I'm back and this is my first video of 2022. So happy new year and I hope we can have a lot of good stuff happen to everyone and in this new year. And I hope I can have more content to share with you about 3D printing and hobbies in general for you guys, okay? And this video this time is to talk about something that some subscribers and some people ask a lot, and it's about how you clean and post-process your print after you finish printing, okay? And I will show how I do it. It's the way I think it's effective and it works for me. If you have another suggestion, another idea, so feel free to comment in the section below and we can share some experiences of it, okay? That's the goal here. The goal is to share how I do it, and if you think that you can do it in a different way, just go ahead and leave some comments. It's a good way not only for you to leave your model very well clean, but also it's a way for you to save some or to make your IPA last a little bit longer, okay? And before we go ahead with that, it's important to talk about safety, okay? Safety when you are dealing with 3D printing, resin 3D printing, it's really important for you to have the proper protection, okay? I will talk about what I use in terms of safety gear. Starting with the gloves, I use nitrile gloves. I think it's the same that people use in the hospitals and things like that. It's not super expensive. I buy like, I don't know, 15 euros for a box with 100 gloves, so it lasts for some time. I don't know, I buy one each, I don't know, 2 months or something like that. Another thing is the glasses. I like to use these protective glasses and I learned on the worst way. So do not be like me, okay? Just use it always. I had an accident a few months ago and I dropped my IPA bucket, and my IPA bucket full of resin and very dirty IPA, and when it dropped it to the ground it just spilled IPA all over, and one of the drops just went directly into my eye. It was not a pleasant experience, I can tell you that, and I really was afraid to lose my sight, okay? So be careful, always use your protective glasses. Another thing that I do not use this always or all the time, but when I need to deal with IPA for a long period of time, I need to change from one bucket to the other, filter the IPA and things like that. I like to use that because I don't like the smell of the IPA, so it makes me feel a little bit more comfortable dealing with this material when I'm using this respirator. It's up to you. If you are very sensitive to the smell and to the IPA, just buy and use it, okay? And in terms of material, I like to use 90% IPA, okay? I do not use those crazy things that people sometimes like to try, like mint green, whatever's, I don't know. I like to use like 99% IPA because it's very effective. It just dissolves resin like if it was nothing, and I prefer that way because it's faster and it's more effective. So without further ado, let's go to the process. I will try to be quick, okay? Thank you very much. See you in a bit.